Welcome to the hcars.studio YouTube channel. The 2026 Kia Optima. The 2026 Kia Optima is here, ready to shake up the mid-size sedan market. With its stylish design, modern technology, and efficient performance, it offers a great mix of comfort, sophistication, and affordability. Exterior, stylish and sporty. Bold grille. A redesigned, wider tiger nose grille gives it a confident look. LED light bar. A sleek rear light bar adds a futuristic touch. Aerodynamic design. Smooth lines improve fuel efficiency. New colors. Options like Midnight Sapphire and Crimson Amber add a premium feel. Interior. High-tech comfort. Luxury materials. Soft surfaces, quilted leather seats, and mood lighting create a refined cabin. Advanced screens. A 12.3-inch digital gauge and a 14-inch touchscreen combine for easy control. Smart features like personalized profiles and auto climate settings adapt to your needs. Roomy design. Extra legroom and trunk space make it great for families or commuters. Performance, efficient and versatile. The Optima offers several options for different drivers. Turbo engine. A 1.6L turbo with 180 horsepower for responsive driving. Hybrid options. Includes a plug-in hybrid with up to 40 miles of electric range. All-electric model. A new EV version delivers 300 miles per charge. Custom driving modes. Choose from eco, comfort, or sport modes. Safety. Advanced protection. Kia DriveWise. Features adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane keeping assist. Semi-autonomous driving. Level 2 Plus features allow for hands-free highway driving. Extra safety. Includes 360-degree cameras and better collision avoidance systems. Sustainability. Eco materials. Uses recycled and sustainable materials in the interior. Green manufacturing. Kia ensures carbon-neutral production for the Optima. Pricing and release. Price starts at $28,000, with higher trims up to $40,000. Availability. Coming to dealerships in mid-2026. Conclusion. The 2026 Kia Optima offers stylish looks, advanced tech, and versatile performance. Whether for families, professionals, or eco-friendly drivers, it's a modern car that stands out in its class. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.